Well, it's 4 a.m. And this is a this is a pretty typical morning. My name is Chris Williamson, and I'm the president of Expedited Service Partners. I'm currently in Fort Myers, Florida, after a hurricane came through. I come here in the mornings and I get here before everybody. And I always spend like 30 minutes just walking the job site. It's to see what's going on, but a big chunk of it is just to kind of reflect on everything going on. When you come here in the morning and there's nobody here, you get to walk around, and then it kind of sinks in what you've done, progress you've made, because you'll get lost sometimes and you'll be like, man, am I really getting anything done? But when you come here really early in the morning, you get to walk everything peacefully and just see everything that everybody's done. It appreciates the time and effort other people have put into it, but it also helps you, appreciate what you've done as well, because it's easy to lose track of why am I here. And again, it can't be about a paycheck.